Unveiling the GeoSLAM RT. So simple a kid could do it. This is the RT reference plate for the GeoSLAM Revo. You'll notice that there's an Allen wrench attached to the plate. Loosen up the nut. Place the reference plate. Thread it back in. Use the included Allen wrench. This is how you assemble the battery unit to the data logger of the GeoSLAM Revo RT.
Did it?
Clicks right into place. You can also see this red button here, and that shows you your battery life. This is how we assemble the cable between the scanner and the data logger. Notice there is a red dot that slides into that connection on the data logger, and there's a red dot to match on the scanner as well. And they click into place. Now you can see this is how to turn on the data logger. Simply press the power button. You can hear that noise, it means it's initiating. Now, this is the scanner. The scanner needs to be rotated at least 90 to 180 degrees. And now we're ready to start scanning. Go ahead and turn on the scanner. And now we're scanning. Simple as that. Now, if you have the PANO, this is the pole extension. And we're going to see how that assembles to the back of the scanning unit. Take the smooth side of the pole and we'll insert that into the back of the scanner. We also have a twist lock that keeps it nice and steady. This is how we actually assemble the PANO camera to the mount. This is the 360 camera that actually allows us to implement 360-degree photos into our cloud model. This assembles with just a simple USB cord and will attach to a trigger. So now, the last piece is assembling the trigger for the camera. This is all it is, and it simply attaches to the USB cable that attaches to the PANO. And there you go. Simple little trigger and on and off switch. Now we're getting ready to start scanning. So we power on the data logger. We hear that it's running. And now we're ready to come through. We have to turn the head on the scanner. And we're going to power on the scanner. You'll see that it is powered. And now all we have to do is strap on the data logger just over the neck and shoulder there. They do have a backpack version of this as well. We'll grab the scanning unit. We'll also make sure that we come back to this particular piece of sticky paper. That way we can get a good, nice transition for a scan.